Good morning. Welcome to education channel of IKM Moratic. What is oligopoly? Explain how price output decisions are taken under oligopoly. Oligopoly is a market situation in which there are few firms selling homogeneous or differentiated products. For example, cool drinks in India is a example for oligopoly market. It is difficult to pinpoint the number of firms in the oligopolist market. There may be 3, 4 or 5 firms. As you are aware, Coca-Cola, Thums Up, Pepsi, like this, there are only 3, 4, 5 firms in the market. Oligopoly is also known as competition among the few. With only few firms in the market, the action of one firm is likely to affect the others. An oligopoly industry produces either a homogeneous product or heterogeneous product. Characteristics of oligopoly. Important characteristics of an oligopolistic situation are: every seller can exercise an important influence on the price output policies of his rivals. Every seller is so influential that his rivals cannot ignore the likely adverse effect on them of a given change in the price output policy of any single manufacturer. The rival consciousness on part of the seller of the fact of independence is the most important feature of oligopolistic situation. The demand curve under oligopoly is indeterminate due to the fact that any step taken by his rivals may change the demand curve. The demand curve under oligopoly is more elastic than under simply monopoly and not perfectly elastic as under perfect competition. Kinked demand curve. This is an important para. This can be asked in short questions also. So, kinked demand curve. It is impossible to find a single generalized solution to the problem of oligopoly pricing. This is because of the difficulty of knowing the exact position of the demand curve facing a firm under oligopoly. This in turn is due to the fact that the effect of a given price changes by a seller on the demand for his product depends very much on the reaction of his rivals. And as we explained earlier, rival consciousness is a basic characteristic of oligopolistic situation. The kinked demand curve is drawn on the assumption that the kink in the curve is always at the ruling price. Taking the ruling price as given, it assumes that a rise in price beyond the ruling price on the part of a given firm under oligopoly will invite retaliation from the rivals. Otherwise, they will allow him to raise his price and lose customers to his rivals. Hence, the upper part of the curve is more elastic than the lower part of the curve lying below the kink. This is because a reduction of price below the ruling price will invite retaliation from the rivals who wish to protect their own sales. The results will be that it cannot push up its sales due to the fact that the rival firms also follow suit with a price cut. So the lower part of the demand curve is less elastic than the upper one. In the above figure, you have to draw a kinked demand curve. It can be revealed that there is a discontinuity in the marginal revenue curve just below the point corresponding to the kink. the equilibrium of the firm will be at the point where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Further, it can be revealed from the figure that because of discontinuity in the marginal revenue curve, shifts in the marginal cost curve between the points T and S will not alter the equilibrium position as regards output and prices. The firm will be in equilibrium at the output ON. Thus, the price will remain sticky under kinked demand curve analysis.